Are you ready, guys? We're cooking today Russian okroshka with a Russian homemade kvass. We need onion, parsley, dill, boiled eggs, bread, sausage, radish, sour cream, boiled potato, and pickles. Okay, I can't wait to see it, as well as to show you how it's gonna taste. Let's go. We have to take our ingredients and chop them to the cubes or chop them in small pieces. So it's going to be again sausage, radish, dill, parsley, onion, potato, egg, and sour cream we're going to use in the end. Alright, let's go. Alright, we have to cut off the butts on the onions. We have to remove it. We are chopping onion to small pieces and going to leave them on the side. Next thing, we're going to chop the ham, Russian big ham. It's called Dr. KVASS. If you don't know it, you can get it in a Russian store. Again, to the small cubes. We have two of this ham, different kind of, so it's going to be more delicious. As I said, that's a different kind of ham. We're also cutting in a small piece. Dill. Chopping the dill is right here. Parsley. Who likes it? But I'm adding the parsley. Some people doesn't like it. As well as cucumber to the small pieces. We're almost done. A radish on the way. We have two more ingredients: boiled eggs, cutting, then dropping them on the container where we prepared our okroshka. All these ingredients, we're about to mix it up. And then we have left only potato. After potato we are done. Make sure you keep your kvass in the refrigerator. It's chilled, cool, cold, and we're about to start. Alright, we cut the whole ingredients into this kind of salad, which is called okroshka. You see, there's all ingredients what we needed. Now it's time for the homemade Russian kvass, and we're gonna use a little bread also on the side. Alright, finally we are trying our okroshka. We have to mix it up again, put on the plate, then kvass on top, chilled and iced. Then we have to put a sour cream, don't forget about that, then okroshka won't come out well. Then we're trying, it's going to be delicious. Try it at home and let me know how was it.